All right, something a little different today. I've been looking for a table saw, more of a portable one, but this one came up for $5 at the local auction house. So I thought I'd give it a try. It's hard to go wrong for that. Uh, Looks like it sat outside for quite a while, or something in a shed or whatever. I've already fixed a few things. I got everything loosened up. Blade goes up and down, tilts. Fixed the fence was all locked up. Got that. It's an older jet, I think, like a 95 or something like that. Motor was locked up. That's another problem. But I happen to have another one. So mechanically, that's all good now. And so for $5, it's probably about right for the price of it, given all the work it needs. So now the next step is the tabletop. How to get all the rust off of it. And usually you can pick up stuff pretty cheap when it looks like this, and it really doesn't take much to get it looking better. I mean, I'm not going to build cabinets or anything like this. It's just rough framing, household kind of thing. So I'm just going to go through how I clean stuff up. This is what works for me. Usually start with WD-40, razor blades, and a vice grip, and a bunch of rags. And we'll go through that. So you usually take the vice grip, pop the blade out of there. Pop the blade out of here. We're going to take it, put it into the vice grip. Now I got a cheap scraper. And then just start in a corner. You're going to want to keep an area wet with a lot of this. And you're just going to want to keep working that. And keep just scraping away. And as the rust gets off, it'll move smoother, and then you just keep working. You always want to keep it working in a wet area. So that slipped down there a little bit. Go back up here. So all right, so you can see the difference here. Got up more of a steeper angle. This I was too low, and it wasn't biting in and taking that rust off. And you'll get the feel of it. Get the right angle, you can just start scraping. It's not going to go into the cast iron, but it'll start scraping the rust off. So keep going. spray it down with some more. Do a little more cleaning off. See how much still came off there. All right, so now put another one in here. And now we look for some spots that it didn't quite get. So now's the chance to go around and take those dark spots off. And you'll feel them. So that's so we got that done and much smoother than it was before. Like I said, I'm just looking for something to run 2x4s and plywood through. And it's more than enough for that. So it's up to you if you want to finish. I'll probably clean this a little more and then put a coat of wax on it to keep it from rusting up again. And then I guess just get to using it. Thanks.